Oppo today officially launched the Reno 14 and Reno 14 Pro smartphones in China. The phone features a one-piece glass body for seamless dust and water resistance and is available in 3 shades: Reef Black, Mermaid, and Calla Lily Purple. The Reno 14 Pro arrives with a slightly larger 6.83-inch 1.5K flat OLED display, keeping the 120Hz refresh rate. Inside is a MediaTek Dimensity 8350 processor with a reported benchmark score of over 1.4 million. The chip is paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. The phone has a trio of 50MP primary, ultra-wide, and periscope telephoto lenses on the back. The front also features a 50MP selfie unit. The device runs on a 6200 mAh cell with support for 80W wired and 50W wireless charging. The Oppo Reno 14 Pro 5G begins at 3,499 Chinese yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.